like for you all to cut down all the way down to the very end of your squid.
Getting up close and personal with a slippery squid is not how many teachers want to spend a summer day.
Just wait, it gets even better.
These middle school teachers are on a quest to learn how to make science and math more interesting for their students, even if it means stepping out of their comfort zones into the world of things slimy, wiggly,
there he goes,
and just plain yucky.
So you guys played with the pond scum earlier. We're going to actually look at this stuff in microscopes.
This is part of a week-long teacher boot camp in Nashville for STEM. That's science, technology, engineering, and math. Everyone here teaches some science, but few are trained as science teachers.
Oh, yeah.
Dorcas Wallace is a fourth-grade teacher who was recently asked to take on science classes at her school. To get up to speed, she drove 3 hours from Memphis to attend the STEM boot camp.
It's not a threat any longer. It's something that can actually be fun.
Fun and a little messy.
And you know it's trail.
Oh,
you know
shoot.
Oh, it got you.
Phil.
Eye juice. You all right? Your kids will have that happen. Thank you for demonstrating for us.
Teacher Thomas actually is a longtime science teacher, 14 years. But even for her, this boot camp isn't without challenges.
I thought I did everything right, but when I cut into it, the ink just squirted all over me. So it was a little bit of a scare, but that's okay. We cleaned up okay. And the kids would love it. That would be fun.
Ooh. Thomas says the challenge for her and the others here is not the content, but how to deliver it.
We were not taught to teach this way. And this is a much more fun way of learning. It's hands-on. It's more fun for us.
Science should be fun, according to camp officials with Adventure Science Center. But there's nothing fun about the state of science education in the United States.
The United States, who put a man on the moon decades ago, now is 17th ranked out of 30 in industrial nations in our kids being prepared and proficient in science.
Susan Duvenhaig says this boot camp is sort of an experiment, the first to connect the center's professional science and technology educators with school teachers for a training. Duvenhaig hopes the camp will catch on.
80% of the teachers in teaching now don't have a special certification in science. You know, it's a general certification. So we like to think that by offering the STEM boot camp, it's an opportunity for the teachers to maybe even become comfortable with science and in a fun, hands-on, approachable way that will also resonate with their kids.
If y'all want to take some home, I'll just put some in a cup with paper in it.
Thomas believes the result will be a chain reaction.
When other students that are in 6th and 7th grade hear from my students what we're doing in Miss Thomas's class, and we've either blown this up or we cut this apart, it's not the paperwork, it's not the book work, it's a hands-on type of learning.
The next thought would be, while you're doing this, come up with some things that you could do in your classroom.
For the Southern Education Desk, I'm LaTanya Turner, Nashville Public Television.
The Southern Education Desk and American Graduate are made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.